A global outage at Amazon Web Services on Monday disrupted major online platforms worldwide, while internet users in Pakistan faced additional connectivity issues blamed on alleged submarine cable fault affecting multiple service providers. The AWS outage, one of the largest in recent months, impacted popular streaming and communication platforms including Reddit, Snapchat, Disney, and Amazon's own Prime Video and shopping services. Other affected entities included Airbnb, Duolingo, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, and trading app Robinhood. Mobile and messaging services such as WhatsApp and Signal also experienced downtime across Europe. Several UK banks, including Lloyds, confirming that the issue stemmed from AWS cloud network. According to Down Detector, users began reporting disruptions early in the evening, which continued for several hours before AWS announced that it had identified and was resolving a domain name system issue causing increased error rate. By late night, AWS said it was seeing significant signs of recovery, adding that while the DNS problem had been fully mitigated, the resulting backlog would take time to clear completely. In Pakistan, however, many users continued to experience sluggish internet speeds even as global platforms gradually came back online. Complaints flooded social media, with users claiming that certain internet service providers attributed the disruption to a submarine cable fault. There was no official statement from the IT Ministry, the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, or the ISPs involved. When contacted by Dawn.com, IT Minister Shaza Fatma Khawaja linked the slowdown to the global AWS outage, noting that Snapchat and other major apps are down due to Amazon Web Services outage worldwide. However, several digital experts and users suggested otherwise. Technology analyst Habibullah said on X that the disruption was caused by a fault in the Peace cable system. It's a cable cut on the core system. They are running tests to localize the fault location, he said. The Peace cable system, which connects Pakistan to China through a landing station in Karachi's DHA area, provides 600 gigabytes per second of bandwidth to the country. Other major undersea cables landing in Pakistan include AAE1, SMW4, and IMEWE, operated by PTCL and Transport Associate. According to the PTA, AAE1 lands in Clifton, while SMW4 and IMEWE connects through stations in Hawke's Bay. Together, these cables form Pakistan's primary international data backbone, meaning even minor disruptions can cause significant nationwide slowdowns. By late Monday night, while AWS services had largely recovered, internet users in Pakistan continued to report patchy connectivity and fluctuating speeds, awaiting official clarification on whether the submarine cable fault had been confirmed or resolved.